Hello my friends, welcome to my new free indicator. This is Ashkan and I am going to introduce you Koala Trendline, one of my best free products. Yes, this indicator is free and will remain free for very long time. I believe that free products must be high quality products, so I try to do my best work on this tool. Please support me by download my other products if you can afford so, or at least subscribe our video channel to help me continue this way of publishing free high quality products. Okay, let me introduce you Koala Trend Line. This indicator try to detect current trend line and draw it on the chart. Indicator use high value by name depth to detect all highest and lowest candles in history, and then use recent of them for drawing trend line. In the next part of this video we will see how does it work, and I will show you how you can download it, install it and use it, of course, for free. Let's start. Okay, that's it. I hope that you can use it for improving your trading skills and strategy. In the end, please do not forget to subscribe our channel so more people could engage with us. Thank you.